Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let me begin with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code, which is probably the easiest one. It is *1234#. And here we can check the version of this device, so we can check the APCP or the model. Let's get back and let me show you the code which is responsible for opening battery status, and it is *02228#. And as you can see, we are in the battery status, so here we can check the current value, voltage level, or the average value. Let's get back and let me show you the last code, which will open the USB settings. It is *0808#. And as I said, we are in the USB settings, so here we can check the mode, we can change the mode also. All you have to do is to simply tap on the mode and tap on OK or reboot. So obviously after a reboot, the device will be restarted. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.